Yeah. Got a lot of stuff.
Want me to take the other half? Or you all right?
That's okay. Looks good, right?
Yeah. Should make it.
Is your welder gonna stay?
It'll be fine.
It's not gonna flip to the right, is it?
I hope not. It's only got to go 10 minutes.
Is
It'll
that
be
toolbox gonna tip in the front?
No, I think it'll be fine. The garage does not even look any more empty. I feel like it's always a cluster, you know what, in here. It's always like an explosion of parts and tools and projects. But look at this day we got here. It's shaping up to be a decent day. We're about a little bit past noon now. Steve's typing away on his phone.
Ordering lunch.
He's ordering lunch. And so what's going to happen today is we're making our way over to the shop, and we're dropping off a majority of our tools. And this truck is going, got this the other day. This only has 30,000 miles on it. GMC, I forget the details. It's a 3500 rack body, but 4-wheel drive. It was a plow truck its whole life, so very rusty, but got it for a good deal. So that'll be going over, making its way with the gold truck. Chris already took all of our tools over, as you just saw. And we got, like I said, we got a 10-minute drive to this shop, which is the best part. It's so easy to get to back and forth. And this week, the goal is to be set up by the end of the week. Anything in there, we can start working on them efficiently and be all set up and ready to go.
All right, we're stuck in 4-wheel drive low. So as many of you know, you got to put these trucks in neutral, and you have to be stopped to get it to come out of 4-wheel low or to go into 4-wheel low. And this is electric, which I absolutely hate this. If you have a chance to buy a truck with electric 4-wheel drive actuator or a manual transfer case actuator, go with the manual one, because it'll never leave you high and dry like this one's doing right now. It's most likely just from the salt. It's probably the original one on there. You hit it with a hammer, it sometimes works. We're going to take it apart and grease it up and WD-40 it before the new one comes in, just to get it stuck in 4-wheel drive low. We can't go past 35 miles an hour. We're only going up the street, so we're going to get this truck up on the lift today and use the lift for the first time and access underneath without laying on our backs. It was funny, we just pulled out the green cart that we were laying on our back to go underneath stuff, and we don't have to use it anymore. I mean, we're going to bring it over here just in case there's a time we need it, but the lifts are going to save our life, I think.
Yeah, look at this thing, pulling this big truck. But we're making our way. Oh. Hey. Here we go. 10 minutes later, here we are.
Maybe a little bit more, like 15, because we had to drive slow. Let's try and get this out of here.
Right? I know it. I think it only goes in neutral, or it might be neutral or
there it goes.
Oh, really?
It just shut off.
Yeah, it's neutral, right?
I was in neutral.
Oh.
Here, want to bring this inside?
That's only for 4 low, though. 4 high is different.
Now it came out of thing. We still need to grease it up.
Made it. One drawer open, but we didn't lose anything. I was like, I'm looking back and the drawer's open. I'm like, oh,
I saw you going up the driveway. This thing was shaking.
dude, it was going,
Yeah,
giving me this the whole time. Boom, 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 boom. I'm like, all right,
Slow door. This one?
slow and steady, this one. Thankfully, we didn't lose anything. Nobody got hurt. At least not yet.
This, we got another delivery of all free furniture that we got. It's very nice. They picked it up this morning, which was great. What do we have? So we got another table, I believe. This is great. This thing's gonna turn out really good. I found this in the woods today.
That's a good boy.
Yeah. Yeah, we had a lot of people comment about the security system here. We got to update it and whatever, get a good security system. And all that's coming. By the time this video is even out, this place is already going to be secure. But yeah, we should be good with that. That stuff's coming in today. Get it all done. No thieves. Nobody's stealing any of our stuff.
What lifts are we going to be? We're probably going to be using this one the most.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Like when that truck was in here, remember it was up here. So if we have tables and stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe that's
Oh, let's bring the big stuff in.
maybe the smaller.
Jim, look how much room now that
Yeah, I like-
look how much room is over there, Jim.
This is a good work area.
It's a great work area.
Yeah.
Like the tire machine, I'd love to put that down here out of the way.
Yeah, and we can hook it into here.
Right there, this one.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's heavy. Just keep it over there and out of the way.
Out of the way.
Yeah.
And then keep this whole thing open so we can pull in and not have to.
Squeeze.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
I agree with that.
That makes sense too.
And then if you had to work on a mower or something, you could do it over there.
Right here.
Probably over there. What'd you get?
Funny, the stuff that we have in here so far, which is not that much,
Yeah.
plus that little trailer load is pretty much everything.
Yeah.
I thought your garage looked a lot emptier.
To get us working, that's like literally, it doesn't look like a lot, but that's what we use to get us stuff.
Jim, you said you had a bunch of tools you still had to bring over?
I have some. Yeah. Few like
Favorites?
tech tools, I guess. I don't know. That's what I call them, like specialized tools. I have a few cool ones. Yeah, believe it or not, we don't have that many tools. It's very simple. But while they're eating their lunch, I already ate. Let's take a look at this truck that we bought the other day. I think we got this truck for like 750 bucks. All right, and it's a rack dump body, which we didn't even know it was a dump. We just thought it was going to be a fixed body, but yeah, it's rusty. Look at this. I mean, it's rusty. It looks better on camera actually than it actually is. Has a lift gate, I guess. Is that a lift gate? Yes, it is. Lift gate. Who knows if it works. Tommy gate. Batteries are dead. You know, the cab looks okay from the outside, but you pop the door and yeah, the floorboard, it's pretty. Seen some better days. There's a mouse living in here, I think. A couple critters in there. It's only got 29,000 miles though, which, yeah, on paper it's low, but this thing worked hard. And it shows it's rusty. It's a plow. It was a plow truck. I guess that's pretty much it. Tires have decent tread. They got good tread actually. It looks better on camera, and actually it looks better now that I'm walking around it than I thought. 4-wheel drive. The front end looks okay. It runs, it drives. Blue brake line getting it on the trailer, so those have to all be gone through. They all look terrible. And the parking brake, the lever, like the shifting lever for the transmission, it snapped right off. The cable snapped right in the ball link, so that's gonna have to be switched too. But then I think we should be okay. A nice wash and go through it for 750 bucks. I mean, shoot, it's worth more in scrap. Since we were last here, the leaves have fallen. on both sides. It looks like we still got a couple green leaves on the tree, but we've got some more cleanup to do, and there's a lot of nuts and bolts left behind from whoever was in here last. Like here's a couple, all in the cracks and the crevices, a couple nuts and bolts, and we don't want to get some flat tires on our vehicles, so we won't be leaving them. We're going to clean all of them up today. So it's going to be a little bit more tedious work to get that done, but once it's done, it's done. But yeah, they're going to finish their lunch in there, and then we'll get started with the cleanup again.
I can't really complain. It's November 7th, and I'm in a t-shirt and shorts.
Yeah.
All right, let's do leaf cleanup number 2 here.
Look at that Echo 9010. And the old Red Max, piece of junk compared to the Echo. And just like that, the cleanup's done. That was already my 7th cleanup today. I worked this morning. Steve and Chris were getting the tables and stuff for the shop, but nice and clean. All the nuts and bolts are gone. Yeah, put it over there for now.
And I want to see if that compressor line works.
Yeah, that's a good spot for it for now. Steve, what do you think about this trailer?
It's gonna get the job done, but it's the reason why it's so cheap.
Yeah. From Lowe's. Where is it? Look at how flimsy this is. Oh,
It's like chicken wire.
yeah. It'll get the job done. That one works, right? That's good.
That helped, actually.
All right, so I think we have enough brake clean to last us a lifetime. It's 4 rows back in there. And we're just getting started on all of our oils and fluids and stuff like that, but I think that is this cabinet, getting this one free, I mean, that's a nice one. It'd probably be close to enough to get from this one maybe over to that one, but if it doesn't get to that one, there's also that air nozzle over there. Yeah.
Sweet.
All right.
Sweet.
So what do you want to do?
Do you want to just push the truck over here?
Want to do that?
Yeah, you guys are tired. I'm tired.
Is that it?
7/16.
There. There you go.
Jim still doesn't know his wrench sizes yet. He could take the engine out of this truck and mount it onto the wall to run the heat in the building, but he can't remember what size the nut is there. Right, Jim?
Looks like a 1/2 inch. Yep. There you go.
Angle it more.
Yeah, try to turn it a little bit.
It's gonna make it.
It's gonna make it. Stop, Steve. No, good.
All righty.
That's a good day. Sure. Let's go. You need a hand with one of those blowers? You good?
I got mine.
Yeah,
right,
it'll
I'm
be
gonna
fine.
lock up.
All right, Chris.
All right, guys.
Bye-bye.
Now let us know what you guys think of the new place. You saw it in the first video, but now it's kind of set up.
Yeah.
But going forward, if you guys see anything that you're interested in, snow plows, we're going to be selling plows probably as their own, with the mount and the wiring and everything. If people are interested in truck parts, like just send us a message, send us an email, and let us know.